Zoom into the world of turbocharged engines. Episode 6 of Supercharging delves into the cacophony of turbo noise. Here's a quick run-through. A turbocharger thrives on a virtuous cycle of exhaust gases powering the turbine and compressor, boosting engine performance. But throw a spanner in the works, like abruptly releasing the accelerator, and you're faced with compressor stall, leading to damaging pressure waves and vibrations. Enter the pop-off valve, our hero, designed to release excess air and ward off turbo troubles. It's important to note, the pop-off valve doesn't influence performance during acceleration, but sizing it correctly based on the turbo used is paramount. So gear up and ride the turbo wave with Supercharging, where we keep your engines revving and your knowledge expanding.